All right, so we got a main line backing up into that house. Her line runs into this jungle over here, and right here's her line going into an old cesspool buried under here. Started to open this access. Oh, busted. All right. Let's see what we can do. So we're gonna go in with the Ridgid Flex Shaft, only because really far away from any electricity. So we're gonna give this a whirl and see what happens. All right, so we got it to drain. Now we're going to take a look at the camera. Wow, that's right at the entrance to the cesspool. It's pretty bad. There's a gap between the pipe and the roots, but looks like we'll have to open up the cesspool and remove the roots from inside. They're no longer inside the pipe. I got those ones out, but they're still growing inside the cesspool, which I don't blame them, because we got one giant tree. The cesspool's right on the other side of the camera. We got this guy growing. We got that big guy. Got another one here, another little guy here. I mean, we are obviously in a jungle.